So there's our Donner Lake view. Really awesome. Freeway noise is subdued back here. It's a little wraparound deck. And we've got one parking spot up on the street. Little deck up here. I wouldn't put my truck on that. It doesn't look pretty safe. There's also an option to purchase this adjacent lot. So there could be a good value add move here to build a garage with an in-law unit or something on top of it. Let's take a look inside. Okay, entering on the main floor. We're walking into the kitchen. It's kind of like a time capsule. This house was built in 1974, and I believe this is probably mostly all the original furniture and cabinetry. Off the kitchen here we have a master suite. This bathroom here would also service the common area upstairs. Stand-up shower, single vanity, cabinetry. Let's see what we've got. Nope, nothing behind the door. Okay, and then we have king-size bed and a master, decent-sized room, closets. Okay. This property is heated by electronic wall heat. And then into the living room. We've got a nice vaulted ceiling in here. And I think it'd be great to blow these windows out and turn those into sliding glass doors. Access the deck, enlarge the deck. There's one slider over here. And a real stone functioning fireplace. And a nice little bar for entertaining. Let's take a look downstairs. It's another code compliance issue with these railings. That's something that would need to be upgraded. Okay, on downstairs, we've got bathroom number 2. Got a tub, single vanity, and a wall heater. We've got an internal lawn